Imagine seeing the world through your dog's eyes as they bound across a mountain trail, chase a frisbee in the park, or splash through a creek on a summer day. All while you stay hands-free and capture every wag and zoom. And by the way, every harness I cover today works with any action camera that uses the GoPro-style mounting system. So you're good to go with DJI Osmo, Insta360 Ace, Akaso, SJ Cam, you name it. All the product links I mentioned are sitting conveniently in the video description below, so feel free to grab whichever one catches your eye. Let's dive in. Starting off with the official GoPro dog harness, I have to say, the engineering on this model is impressive. It's built to exacting GoPro standards and fits pups from about 20 to 120 pounds with fully adjustable straps and a safety tether. Right away, you notice the premium nylon blend feels sturdy yet breathable, and the two quick-release mounting bases make it easy to swap between chest and back positions on the fly. Compared to the budget-friendly GoPro harness we'll see next, this fetch harness delivers noticeably steadier footage thanks to its padded straps and snug fit, although you'll pay roughly twice as much. I tested this on my Labrador mix during a river kayaking trip. The leash clip held fast, the camera stayed put even when she shook off like a wet dog tornado, and the hyper-smooth stabilization on my Hero 12 made every river rapid look buttery smooth. And I'll never forget a winter morning when I took my husky into the forest after fresh snowfall. The camera captured each cloud of warm air from his breath in crystal detail, making the scene truly cinematic. The one catch is that during sprint sessions you might need to pause for a quick strap tighten, and smaller breeds under 20 pounds may find the chest plate hangs too low unless you remove it. This model is perfect for the serious content creator or adventure dog owner who wants professional-grade POV clips without compromise, and who doesn't mind investing a bit more for the ultimate stability and build quality. While the previous model excels at premium stabilization, this next one shines on budget and versatility. Moving on to the GoPro dog harness for action cam, if you're more concerned about your wallet than shaving off a few frames of shake, this $19 option will feel like a steal. The hydrophilic polyester material dries quickly after a swim, and the magnetic buckle closure is a fun little convenience. Just don't let your curious pup figure out that trick too quickly. I slipped this on my Australian Shepherd for a backyard frisbee shoot, and the camera stayed remarkably steady for about 20 minutes of moderate play. Unlike the GoPro official harness, which holds firm under high-intensity action, the GoPro flexes a bit under pressure and the quick-release buckle can feel flimsy. On the upside, it handles GoPro, DJI Osmo, Insta360 Ace, Akaso, and similar mounts without fuss. So it's a great all-rounder if you own more than one camera system. After a lake dip, it dried in minutes and left zero chafing on my Beagle's coat, something I sorely missed when testing the Uzvio harness, where stiff Velcro rubbed uncomfortably during a 3-hour hike. For casual users or those testing the dog cam waters, this is a solid entry-level pick, if you're more concerned about noise levels than power. Speaking of mid-range versatility, the Uzvio upgraded dog harness claims to fit all GoPro Hero models and even throws in an extension rod for more dynamic angles. What stands out most about this design at first glance is the magnetic closure and the promise of 360-degree rotation. In reality though, I found the sizing inconsistent. When I took it on a late afternoon trail run with my Beagle, the neck loop rode too high, chafing his fur, and the back straps felt overly tight. The extension rod did allow a few creative swooping shots, turning my Insta360 Ace into a makeshift drone that skimmed just above the sand at the beach, but the L-shaped mount kept popping off during sprints, so you end up chasing your dog more than recording them. On the plus side, the harness's lightweight, low-profile build means it barely registers on your dog during short sessions, and its breathable mesh helps keep them cool on sun-soaked hikes. Compared to the GoPro harness, which offers comfortable padding and reliable hold, the Uzvio's stiffer straps feel harsh after long wear, and its build quality can feel inconsistent. If you need that extra extension for artistic flair and are okay babysitting the hardware, this harness might work for very brief supervised sessions. Otherwise, its inconsistent sizing and build quality place it at the bottom of the pack. Only consider it if you really want that rod and don't mind the frequent hardware hiccups. If you need broad compatibility and reflective visibility for twilight adventures, the Smile Powo dog harness mount deserves a shout. This hybrid nylon denim harness with air mesh lining felt surprisingly comfortable on my Border Collie mix during an early evening park romp. The 3M reflective trim made it easy to spot her bounding back toward me in the fading light, and I even added a small rechargeable LED under the rear mount so she looked like a tiny fighter jet weaving through the grass. Quite the conversation starter with fellow dog lovers. The dual chest back mounts give you options for differing POV. Unlike the GoPro Fetch harness, which skis strictly on premium gear, the Smile Powo works with GoPro, Insta360 Ace, DJI Osmo, Akaso, SJ Cam, and even budget brands like DB Power. Picture yourself on a foggy fall morning, leash in hand, smiling at the ghostly trail ahead. This harness not only keeps your dog visible, but also keeps the camera snug so you get those moody, cinematic shots without sacrificing comfort. The 4-buckle adjustment system lets you dial in a precise fit for dogs roughly 24 to 88 pounds, though extremely lean breeds might struggle to tighten fully, and I did see a plastic buckle crack under heavy tugging, so always carry a spare. Compared to the Uzvio, which felt harsh and unreliable, the Smile Powo strikes a nice balance of durability and comfort without breaking the bank at around $24. For the content creator who values cross-platform compatibility, nighttime safety, and a harness their dog barely notices, this is a top contender. Now let's zero in on what matters most for you and your pup. Ask yourself, are you chasing summit sunrises and whitewater thrills, or just capturing goofy backyard zoomies? If pristine, rock-steady footage is non-negotiable and budget takes a back seat, the GoPro Fetch harness has your name on it. Think of it as strapping a full cinema rig to Fido's chest. If you're more of a let's test the waters without breaking the bank kind of creator, the GoPro harness is your perfect trial run. Lightweight, quick drying, and under 20 bucks, but still stable enough for casual hikes and park play. Craving something a bit avant-garde? The Uzvio harness with its extension rod can deliver swooping, drone-like shots. Just be ready to fine-tune straps and chase hardware hiccups during those action-packed sprints. And when twilight strolls or dawn patrols are your thing, pairing the Smile Powo harness's reflective trim and broad camera compatibility gives you both safety and versatility, so you can shine, literally, even in low light. Picture your next session. If your dog is a full-throttle adventurer, lock in the Fetch. If you want easy, budget-friendly play, grab the GoPro. If you're an experimental storyteller willing to babysit the gear, the Uzvio's your wild card. And if cross-platform use plus nighttime visibility tops your priority list, the Smile Powo is your go-to. Whichever path you choose, you'll be capturing authentic dog POV moments that'll have your viewers clicking play on repeat. Don't forget to snag the links in the description, hit like if this helped you decide, and subscribe for more pawsome gear guides.